What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a couple sets of wheels I got to get done today. Got these Tesla wheels back here. A couple more of those I got to finish blasting still. Got some Circuit Hero parts for an S2000, and then I think I'm going to jump right into another set of wheels. A little bit behind on videos. I know you hear that probably every video now. So I have a bunch of videos in the works. I'm super close to finishing them. I know that I said that last time. I've just been really busy at the shop with shop stuff and then personal stuff and working on my own vehicle and a bunch of random things. So I'll get those coming out super shortly. I also have an equipment video coming out because I've gotten a bunch of requests about my process and setup as far as chemical stripping, the booth, the blasting cabinet, oven, all that stuff. So expect that to be coming out soon, and let's get started. All right, I figured I'd show this to you guys real quick. This is a set of wheels that I blasted. These Tesla wheels, the finish comes right off, but they have an epoxy primer underneath them that kind of takes forever in the stripper. It's also incredibly hard to see in the blasting process. So what I've done is I blasted these wheels fairly well, and then I pull them back out, and I take a Sharpie and mark all the areas that I want to hit again. You maybe can see, I don't know if this will focus well enough to hit it, but you can kind of see some of the dots up around these lines. So figure once you blast those lines away, the stuff that you're trying to get rid of will actually be gone. You can see this one is way worse. This is the first one I did. I just went real fast over it, but gonna get those blasted now and start throwing powder at them. Got these Circuit Hero parts up next. These are for S2000. This is a strut brace and a coil cover. Gonna get these blasted. These are just, I thought stainless steel, but it looks like they're mild because there's a lot of rust randomly in all the corners. So I'm gonna go through, blast all these, and then they're just going like a nice matte black. Okay, with these rotiforms up next, they're already a gloss black. They got a little bit of curb rash on them, and a local tire company kind of messed one up. So we're going to be doing them in a silver sparkle over mirror black. So we're going to go get these thrown into the chemical stripper and get this coating off. Got these Hellcat wheels up next. They've already been chemically stripped, sandblasted, outgassed. Got to tape off one last one, and I'm gonna start spraying them. They're going Illusion Cherry, which is a pretty badass color. So we're going on the rest of those right now. All right, got the clear put on over the Illusion Cherry. Got those wheels in curing right now, so thought I'd take a minute to explain kind of what's going to be going on with videos here in the next little bit. I've seen a bunch of you guys' requests. I literally look through every comment that I get, try to respond to all of them. I saw you guys are looking for a video of just the equipment that I use, so I'm going to do that. I actually already started recording part of it. Still got to do a couple parts. My compressor is in like a box to keep the noise down, so I have to go inside that box to record it. So that's not super simple, but I'm going to get it done here shortly. Expect it to be up probably over this weekend. Also, I know that I've been getting a bunch of likes and comments on videos. I'm trying to increase that. That basically just helps my videos get posted up as like recommendations and stuff like that. So if you guys are down, hit that like button, leave a comment. Share the videos with your friends even. I know I've seen a bunch of them posted up on Facebook, which is awesome. And like I started explaining with this blog style format, or vlog style format, I guess it would be, still going to be posting stuff really consistently, or more consistently than I am now even. Going to end up doing, you know, kind of all the day's work will get posted, and then I'll do individual videos of start to finish three-piece builds, any other bigger project that takes some time. I noticed when I do three-piece builds, I can record disassembling them and, you know, going through the process and then reassembling and all that, but sometimes it takes like a week or whatever, so that spreads out and that delays a video from being posted. So hopefully this will alleviate that. Just got new chemical stripper in, got a new piece of equipment, got delivered today. It's not set up yet. Can't wait to start using it. We'll be doing diamond cutting, wheel repair, and polishing and stuff all in-house now, so that'll be awesome. Oh, and I want to apologize ahead of time. There is a chance that part of this video is in 720p, because I just realized that the settings on my gimbal randomly changed, changed the phone and what it was recording at. So if you see any in 720p, I apologize. I changed it back, put the default to 1080, and hopefully everything will be fine now. was editing this video and realized that I didn't make an ending for it. So I guess like, subscribe. Content will be way more consistent now. I'm actually editing this video, and I have 2 more that I'm going to finish tonight and post next day, immediately after. So got like 6 videos in the works total, or I guess this one and 5 more. So expect to see those soon, and I already started recording content for more. So any projects you guys want to see, like I said, I mentioned it kind of before. If there's projects you want to see me do, feel free to post it in the comments or shoot me a message. Like I said, I try to answer any questions that I see in there. Try to reply to all comments. Sometimes it gets not overwhelming, but sometimes I don't even see some of the comments because there's too many right in a row. So I will get to them as I can, and look forward to hearing from you guys.
By now you should have at least blown. It's funny, I'm mad famous for being unknown.